So we start by going to a model wizard, and here we'll be using a 3D for our space dimension, because we're just showing how the geometry will be built. We don't select any physics, we just move on to done. And that brings us to our interface. Okay, so what we'll do now is we want to move straight to the geometry and start adding our components. The first thing we're going to add is a cylinder. So we add a cylinder, and under the settings window, we locate the size and the shape. So we're going to define the radius and the height for the cylinder. In the radius, we are going to set it as 100. And in the height, we're going to set it as 500. So this one is, we are done for the size and shape. Now we have to select the axis type. So from the axis type, by default, it's selected to the z-axis. So we change it to the x-axis. We add another cylinder. That's the second cylinder. Okay. The second cylinder, we also locate the size and the shape, where we have the radius. This will be 50. And the height will be 750. Similarly, where we have the position for the X, Y, and Z field, we're going to change this from 0 to -125. And we're also going to change this to the X-axis. Go to geometry, then we add a sphere. So locate the size and shape, and under radius, it's going to be 100. Add another sphere. So we're gradually building its radius. Similarly, will be 100. The position section under the x-axis is going to be 500. Then we'll add another cylinder. So the third cylinder is what you're going to add now. Locate the size and shape under the radius. It's going to be 45. The height is going to be 132.5. The X position is going to be 50. The Z position is going to be -132.5. Let's duplicate cylinder 3. And where we have the position, we're gonna modify this part a bit to 450. And in the Z field, we're gonna change it to 0. So we're gonna look for Booleans and partitions, and we'll look for a union. And we select everything here. So you just click on the graphics and you select Control A to select everything as we've done. And we uncheck this section, which is so we uncheck this part as the interior boundaries. And we go on to the block, locate the size and shape, and there will go about we can change the width, depth, and the height. So the width will be 500. Yes, depth to be 300, height also 300. Okay, so locate the position and under the white field, it's minus 150. And we go to the layers. And we'll add some layers. So what we'll do is for layer 1, we'll make 100. We'll add about 4 layers, each the same thickness. Therefore, and you're gonna uncheck this button. We'll add another block. We'll add another block. And the width will be 500. Height will be 300. Sorry, depth will be 300. Height will be 65. The Y position will be minus 150. The Z position will be minus 32.5. So we'll go on to add Booleans and partitions, and we'll use a partitioning object. We select this. And under partition objects, under the partition object section, so let's block 1. Block 1. And so we go back to geometry and we search for the wet plane. And under the plane definition section, the plane, let's use the YZ plane. Mm. And we look for okay, so we have added the work plane, and subsequently we're going to add a plane geometry. Uh, we have the work plane, then have the plane geometry. Add a circle. Add a circle. And for the circle, we locate the size and shape section. And we have to define the radius of the circle, which will be now let's first look at the position. So for the circle, okay, I think this one, let's undo this one. And rather, we're going to add transforms and an array. That's what you're going to do. You're going to add. Okay, before we do that, let me add a circle first. Okay, let's simply add a circle. And the radius will be 7.5. And the position will be under the X, W will be minus 75. And the YZ will be minus 43.5. And on the work plane, let's add transforms. We choose array. We select C1. And under the size and shape, we have the XW, it's going to be 7. And the YW is going to be 3. And we locate the displacement section. And under the XW field is going to be 25. YW is going to be 43.5. Let's duplicate the circle. And locate for the second circle that we've just formed. Locate the position, and under the XW will be minus 62.5. And in the YW field, so we maintain the radius, we just change the position. Minus 65.25. The work plane, we add another set of array. We select C2, locate the size and shape. And in the XW field will be 6, the YW field will be 4. And we locate the displacement section, and the XW field will be 25. YW field will be 43.5. And now do this. Now we want to delete this work plane. Now let's undo first, wait. So we go delete entries here, entities here, sorry. So these are a lot of entities. So I'm gonna paste them here. Come in. Okay, so we're gonna delete okay. Let me type them here. Array 1, array 1, seven, 3. this 7-1 first because 7-3. Sorry, 7-1. 7-3. And 2-1-1. 2-1-4. 2-6-1. And 2, 4. To be a comma. Two, 6-1. 2-6-1. Okay, so we've done this. Let me see if I can select individually. I'm on I'm gonna select them individually. Now we have array 1, 1. Now I'm looking for array 1, 3. And so this is also included. Array 2, 1, 1. Array 2, 2, 1 is not included. Array 2, 3, 1 is not included. Do this way. Array 2, 4, 1 not included. 2, 5, 1 not included. 2, 6, 1 is included. Array 1, 7, 1 not included. Array 1, 6, 1. All right, Array 1, 7, 1 is included. Array 1, 6, 1 is not included. Array 1, 5, 1 not included. This not included. 3, 1 not included. 2, 1 is not included. 2, 6, 1. 1, 2 is not included. 2, 2 not included. 3, 2 not included. Array 4, 2 not included. 5, 2 no. 2, 6, 2 no. 7, 2 no. 6, 2 no. 5, 2 no. 4, 2 no. 3, 2 no. 2, 2 no. 1, 2 no. 1, 3. 2, 1, 3 no. So 2, 2, 3 no. No. 4, 3 no. No. Let me check this. This 2, 1, 4 yes. 6, 4 yes, and 7, 3. Yeah, so we have 1, 1, 1, 3, 7, 1, 7, 3, 1, 1, 1, 4, 6, 1, 6, 4. So 1, 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so these are the objects that we select. Let's go to geometry, and what we select is I'm gonna add an extrude to this. So right click and extrude. We locate the distances and enter 500. Will be the distance. We add a block and locate the size and shape. Width will be 1, depth will be 150, the height will be 400, and the position in the X field will be minus 200, and the Y field will be minus 150. The Z field will be minus 200. Geometry, we look for Booleans and partition, and we select the difference. Let's look at the extrude. Why did we set up for the extrude? Well, subtract of 3. This will be, we can come and let me add the extrude because it hasn't picked it. Okay. So we go to geometry, Booleans, and we select the difference. One, extrude one. Okay. We added these two, and how to subtract is block 3 only. Go to geometry, and we locate the visual operations, and we want to ignore faces. go to default view. Look at the wireframe and so now we select and we're selecting some boundaries. Um, 25, 26, 30, 35, 38. We have 41, we have 52, we have 55, 56, 67, 17, 23, 26, 27, 19, 23, 02, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 8, 4, 0, 1, 4, 1, 4, 4, 7, 5, 0, we'll have a lot to select. I think I'll take 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1, 2, 0, yeah, 1, 7, 2, 0, 2, 7, 3, 4, 2, 3, 7, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 2, 5, 9, 2, 6, 2, 265, 268, 279, 282, 285, 294, 297, 300, 300, 314, 317, 320. Okay, we have more. 329, 332, 339, 349, 356, 357, 362, 364, 365, 371, 374, 377, 380, 391, 394, 397, 406, 409, 412, 415, 426, 429, 432, 441, 451, 458, 461, 468, 469, 476, 477, 483, 86, 89, 492, 503, 506, 509, 518, 521, 524, 527, 538, 541, 544, 553, 556, 563, 576, 578, 580, 582, 587, 59, 589, 589, 8. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to select every part. That's what I'm trying to select. Okay. Not every part, but some particular place. So I'm gonna redo everything. I think I'll start the next video from this section. So where we ended, I'm gonna stop from there and we'll continue the next video from this section. If you have any question, kindly let me know and please watch the next video for the continuation of this part.